Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. In today's episode, I'm going to be trying out the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. So, let's rewind a little bit. I bought right here, I bought the purple one. This is the Sculpted Volume Mascara because I thought this was the one that everyone talks about, that everyone loved. Well, it wasn't. I did film a Mascara Monday episode on this. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see that episode. But yeah, I realized that this was the one. This was the one that everyone likes. So I went to Ulta and got it. Luckily, it's super cheap. It was $4.99. Okay, so on the Ulta website, it says Royal Sister. This is the sister of the original Lash Princess Mascara. I don't know, that's what this says. It says the conic shape and fiber brush provides lashes with dramatic volume and sculpted length. All right, let's do this. So my final thoughts on this mascara, holy mother, it is super messy, and I literally had to wipe the brush off with a makeup remover wipe, and it's still coming out super messy. It got all over my eyes. I don't know, I'm looking to compare the two here. Yeah, this one was a super clumpy and wet formula, and this is like even super wetter and clumpier, it seems. I don't know, guys. I mean, it's literally all over my under eye. Maybe I got a defective one. I'll show you guys, like when I pulled it out, look how much is on that brush. Like, look at that. Is that like that? Did I get a defective one? I'm gonna have to watch some videos and see if I got a defective one. I mean, I'm willing to try it again if I did get a defective one because it's only $4.99, because it does have potential. After I cleaned it off, I feel like it kind of, I'm gonna go watch some videos and see if I just got a defective one, and then if I did, I'll definitely do a part 2. But yeah, that's it for this video. As always, if there's a mascara you want to see featured on Mascara Monday, comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.